This is the 2024 International Mobility Data Summit. The summit is one of the only events of its kind, focused solely on mobility through the lens of data. "190 people representing 100 organizations from 18 countries, all gathered here in Montreal for 2 days of insightful panels, hands-on workshops, and impactful conversations with one goal in mind: better transportation through data. If you're a part of the mobility space, the summit is an event you should not miss.